Apple Fitness app is exceptionally helpful in letting you keep track of your progress. With accurate and insightful details, it ensures you remain updated about the upside and the downside. In iOS 18, the app has become more user-friendly and lets you perfectly customize the summary screen so that you can fine-tune the entire screen in line with your needs and keep the unwanted functions at a fair distance. That's it. Let's learn how to customize the fitness summary screen on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. To get us started, you have to open the Apple Fitness app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then tap on Edit Summary button. Now, if you want to remove a specific card, just tap on the minus button at the top of it. And if you want to add a specific card, tap on the Add button at the top left corner of the screen. Now find the card that you want to add and then select the preferred size and then hit the Add Card button. And if you would like to neatly rearrange the cards, use the drag and drop gesture to put all the cards at the right spot. And once you have perfectly customized the summary screen to your heart's liking, make sure to tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and you are all set. So that's how you can perfectly customize the fitness summary screen on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.